Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set mop drying time on MOVA Z60 Ultra. In order to set the mop drying time on your MOVA Z60 Ultra, you can click on the setting on the three dots in the top right corner to enter settings, then click on dock settings. Now mop drying settings, and you can set it to either standard and then set it to 3, 4 or 5 hours. The amount that should be set actually depends on your moisture level in the area that you live in. So yeah, if you're in like rainy or coastal areas, it'll be 5 hours. For dry weather, it'll be 3 hours. There's also an option to do it mute. It will extend the drying time but ensure quiet drying. I don't think that drying is loud, but it does make a little noise, so that is the thing. By the way, you can also enable UV sterilization, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.